Hello students, how are you? I hope you are in a cheerful frame of mind. Today I would like to deal with your rearranged syllabus. I think you have already collected your rearranged syllabus from online. Why is this rearranged syllabus for you? I think all of you know the pandemic, all of you know about the pandemic that is prevailing all over the world. And considering the pandemic situation, the government has decided to shorten your syllabus, and which is known as rearranged syllabus. Actually, it is a short syllabus for you, as you have not attended the regular classes. It is stopped for coronavirus or COVID-19, and your study has been hampered for this reason. So you need a short syllabus for your preparation for the coming HSC exam 2021. So this short syllabus has been given to you considering the COVID-19 situation. And for your first paper, you had 15 units in your EFT book, English for Today book. But now in the short syllabus you can get only 7 units. So it has been easier for you to read these 7 units, and these 7 units are Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5, Unit 7 and Unit 12. These are 7 units. And you had 3 passages or 2 passages and 1 poem in your first paper in the board question. That means in the question paper you had 2 passages or a poem or 3 passages, but now you have only 1 passage to deal with. 1 passage, and from 1 passage you will get MCQ questions and question and answer. That means questions will be given and you are to answer the questions. Then you have to have with clues. That means close test with clues and close test without clues, and rearranging of jumbled sentences, rearrangement or reordering of jumbled sentences. And from the writing part, 3 items have been given. Instead of 5 items, 3 items have been given. What are the items? The 3 items are paragraph writing, completing story writing, and informal letter writing. And these are your short syllabus, and the items have been shortened considering the pandemic. And you have to try your level best to cope with the pandemic situation. It may be in the case of your study, and it may be in the case of your health. You have to try your level best to follow the rules of health during COVID-19 situation. You have to maintain the social distance, you have to use mask, You have to wash your hands before eating something. You have to maintain the rules of health during this COVID-19 situation. This is important. And you know the health is the root of all happiness. If you are not well or if you are not physically fit, you will not be able to continue your study or you will not be able to sit for your coming SSC exam. So you have to try your level best to remain well. Then you have to try your level best to take a good preparation for the coming SSC exam. So these are all about your short syllabus for the SSC exam 2021. Thank you very much. In the next class, I will deal with your second paper rearrange syllabus. This will do for the day.